Hey everyone, I just wanted to show off a sequence table that I made. My wife is a huge fan of the game Sequence, so what I did is I did the old magic fingers routine on the computer and decided to replicate the entire top. So this is epoxied in, and you can see I did white for the cards, and then black and red, of course. The detail for the face cards was a little tough, so I just decided to do their suit on that one. So there's the McClellan Industries logo, and then I replicated the board exactly as it sits. So the top is one piece of an oak slab. The sides and legs are oak. The middle drawer, where you keep all your pieces and everything, is a piece of mahogany that I just used, and it's sitting on wood slides. Decided to screw these, but then put this little detail in here to kind of hide the screw a little bit. But that's basically all she wrote for that piece. But let me kind of show you a couple of the features that you can't see from the top, okay? All right, with the top removed, you can see a couple things that are built into it. I did like having this piece sit a little bit prominent, a little proud on it. I liked this profile, so basically there are just a couple stops, nothing groundbreaking or revolutionary here. But what I did was I added, we've got these figure 8 pieces that help with wood movement over time, so they can swivel back and forth so that it doesn't crack any of the pieces. But decided to repurpose one of these against this stretcher. So you pull the drawer out, drawer won't come out. But what you can do is you can slide your hand under here, push it over ever so slightly, and then the drawer comes right out. Just pull that drawer out, and you see the wood slides that I put in along with the figure 8s, and you can kind of see the construction. And I really liked the taper on these legs. It's inspiring of an old 1930s pool table that I saw called the Hudson, and it's got these real big, thick, tapered legs. So I like that style, that deco style. So here's the inside of it, and you can kind of see construction of we've got an oak box with some just poplar front and sides, nothing too groundbreaking once again, but I did like the little detail here. Mahogany front, and the rest of it is 100% oak. Revisiting the top for just a second, this is one big slab of oak that I used just to put a small chamfer on it. So it's about an inch and a half on the top, and there were a couple knots and cracks in here, one particular big one here, and I decided to fill those in with black. I find black tends to be one of the more complementary colors to wood, so I don't like clear, but I had to fill this one too. I think black and wood just kind of go naturally together. They seem like good complementary colors, but just wanted to give you just a quick view of all the different inlays that had to go into this. So it was fairly intricate doing this, but it was just a process of doing kind of one procedure at a time. And if you're not familiar with epoxy does shrink a little bit. So when you fill these, I always like to do just a small little hump in there because it will contract just ever so slightly. And if you fill it just to the tip top, you'll get a kind of a concave shape there. So that's you have to come back and refill it. But this is done, and hopefully the wife likes it.